Hello, how is everyone? Look at this. Look at the pond. Look how good it looks. This morning the sun was coming down on it and it was perfect. I did not take a video then, obviously, but look at this. All right, we're gonna do it a little different today. Let's do our feed from up here. What's going on? So I went and saw my concert last night. Had a fantastic time. What a show. I Mother Earth, Tea Party. Amazing. They just rocked. Look at that, guys. Look at this. Look how amazing that looks. And the pond's so clear after... Wow, look at the color. Look at the size of these fish. Like, this guy here, he has to be at least like 14, 15, 16 inches. Like, these fish are just ginormous. Wow. It's quite, saw one of our like brown guys are natural, like they're right there, all power, blend right in. But man, that looks amazing. So which one's your favorite? We've been having that little debate here at the house between my kids and my wife. My son loves Big Mama. This one, she's amazing. Beauty fish. So that's his number one. Blue Nose is the number two. Where's Blue Nose? Oh, there's Blue Nose right there. Blue Nose. He likes Minion too. Yellow guy. He loves the Smoky. And then the Platinum. Platinum's one of his faves. But yeah, take a look at the bog. Like, nothing much to see, but water's flowing everywhere. This is exactly what we wanted. You can like see it flowing there. It's just, yeah, it's doing what it's supposed to do. But you can see, like, it's crystal clear. Crystal clear. Oh, gotta cut these guys down right here. Filled with seeds. They're actually everywhere here, which is great. I love them. They're popping up. Now let's go over here, guys. I gotta clean this up. Haven't done that yet. It's been a slow day. Took a nap too. Didn't sleep a lot last night, or it wasn't quality sleep. But yeah, it's harder to see the glare up here. But it's, yeah, the pond's looking fantastic. I'm so happy. It took way too long. But I just need to essentially clean that out. Clean out the bog. So, yeah. Here, I wonder. Let's go take a look at it upstairs, or from the tree house. Yeah. There's our butler, actually. Here, I'll show you guys. My daughter's done some decorating. So, I think we're going to be taking out the dahlias soon. Look at them. It sucks because they're still going strong. Like, look at them here. Got our cemetery. Toronto Maple Leafs from when they came into the league to the last time they won the cup. Freddy Krueger, Dracula, Slimer, and Frankenstein. Yeah. And normally she goes, Dad, because they didn't see me yesterday. He goes, look what I did. Yeah. She was super proud. She loves to decorate and chip off the old block. This is hers here. Look at the snake and the spider and the oh, she's so awesome. I love her. Yep. She loves that I decorate. You guys will have to, I'll be posting some videos of what I'm gonna do for Christmas. But oh yes, guys, remember, subscribe and like my videos. Wow, here we go. Look how great it looks. That waterfall, oh yeah. Look at that. This looks fantastic. What a, you know, it seems like it's been here forever, but like I literally made that this spring. It's such a like a key focal point of the pond now. Yeah. Oh, our decoy there is all tangled up. Might have to undo that. Such a fantastic view up here. The bog just looks so like, it looks like another pond. So empty. I'm just like hanging out and just chilling. So next year I just know the bog just needs to be clean, and then actually the fish going in at the bottom and just swishing the water keeps it clean too. So but yeah, hey guys, remember to subscribe. Should we do one more feed? I think we should. But I love the view up here. Don't come up here often enough. I've been trying to come up here a little more. You know, it's something that, you know, not a lot of people have. Nice tree house. Yeah, see? It's amazing. See, total fashion socks with with sandals. Well, that's all right. I'm at home. It's just a really bumming day. I think I'm gonna go have some pork tenderloin. I marinated it in maple syrup that I made, garlic, soya sauce, and Worcestershire sauce, however you say it. And then I'm gonna make some baked beans right now. Yeah. And then some coleslaw. I'm gonna get some potatoes ready, potatoes from the garden. Yeah, everything. They're just ready. Hello, my friends. Look at them go. Oh, so amazing. Such beautiful colors. Yep. So remember, guys, subscribe. Thanks for all the support. Thanks for watching. And we'll have yourself a great night.